2.5x the clarity. See every detail of the activity in picture-perfect 2K resolution when live streaming and recording. No hidden costs. Designed to protect your home as well as your wallet, eufy security products are one-time purchases that combine security with convenience. Dual power options. Gain half-a-year coverage from one charge or experience a non-stop power supply via wired connection. Expanded field of view. The increased 4:3 aspect ratio ensures you get a full body view of anyone who approaches. Efficient human detection. The built-in AI analyzes each event and determines whether or not a human is present. This reduces the number of false alerts you receive as well as preserving power consumption. Top reviews from the United States. This is our first video doorbell, but many friends, family have other systems. We chose this one for the local recording and better control over what is sent to the cloud. Easy installation was also a determining factor. The doorbell was very easy to set up after making sure I had the 5 GHz band on my router turned off. It will only connect to 2.4 GHz. After getting everything set up, I switched back on the 5 GHz band and the connection has been rock solid since. Installation was a snap. I had replaced our old-school wired doorbell. It was just a ringing bell in the basement, with a battery doorbell and remote chime. I couldn't remember if I left the wires in, how accessible they would be and if they were even the correct voltage to wire it up. I never did find the wires, so we stuck with the battery-only option. If you can drill a hole, you can install this doorbell. Very, very easy with clear instructions.